Take it.
Take it.
Take it.
Take it out.
Lesson 1.1 Google Sites Layout and Theme Selection. Once you create a Google site, you will be able to find it inside Google Drive. In the previous example, we organized the Google Sites inside a folder. Open the folder and open the Google Sites to begin to edit. If this is the first time that you're visiting sites or there are new features in sites, you might be prompted with pop-ups. Simply select Got It and disregard. Let's begin by selecting a layout and a theme. Let's explore the Google Sites user interface. Here's the title of the Google Sites. Here is the title of the homepage of the Google site. Here you have the undo and redo last action. You can also preview what it looks like on a PC and mobile device. You can copy the link once it's published for your Google site. You can also add collaborators, other students and teachers to help you develop the site. There are more options under the ellipsis. You also have the option to insert text, images, embed files, or get files from Google Sites. You also have pages and themes. Let's begin by selecting our page layout. Under the layout, select from the thumbnail options. If you do not like the layouts that you have selected, hover your mouse over a layout panel and select Delete the section. In this example, I will select the first option for my layout. I will add a picture and then insert text. Let's view the theme. Here are the various themes for Google Sites. As you select the theme for your Google site, you will see the changes immediately. Begin to change the title. You can see that once you type on the text box, you have other options: title, heading, subheading, normal text, and small. You also have the option to align them. You have the option to insert a link, and then you have the option to delete it. The next thing that we're going to do is change the picture for the home page. You can upload the picture or select an image. In this example, I am going to select an image. I can get it from the gallery, URL, search for a picture from my albums or my Google Drive. Select the picture. Feel free to explore the layouts and the themes in Google Sites.